I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely.
Okay, we're back on the heater box restoration. We've cleaned the box up quite a bit, and here's our old heater core. You can see where it was leaking like a sieve. This is an original heater core. We're going to replace it. We're just going to pull it out, and I can show you 79E. So this is an original copper heater core. Try to repair it or nothing, we're just going to replace it. But we're going to clean this portion of the box up. All I'm going to use is some disinfecting wipes, because hey, I use these things for everything. Gets everything clean, and we can disinfect it at the same time, make it smell lemon fresh. Anything that moves like this flap, we're going to go ahead and WD-40, lubricate it, get it working a little better. So I'll bring you back in when we get to after all the wiping's down. Alright, we're back from wiping it down. It's a lot better. We've got it lubed up, we've got it cleaned up. Time to put the new heater core in, which is right here, our new aluminum heater core. Just slip it in the hose, get it to where it fits. It'll fit on these little tabs right in here, slides inside of it, and flush to the bottom. So once that's in, we can take our little straps. You got two of them. They're basically identical. Yeah, so one is a little bit longer than the other one, so you can't get it mixed up. I mean, you can mix it up, but it'll only bolt on one way. So you slide that under. So one brace will go there, and one brace goes on this bottom section, or top section, whichever you like. So you got two straps that hold it here and here, and then you screw them in. You just flip it over, and you'll see the two holes here. Alright, heater core's in. So this portion is done. We can put this away to the side, because now we've got to get on to the rest of the box, which is this here. This is our problem that we had. This is how it is. It'll be mounted like that. This is a vacuum succionator 3000, but on the other side it's super rusty. The hole is clogged up completely with rust and debris and whatnot. The seal was broken off, so it's had its day. So we ordered a new, found one on eBay for $93. Unfortunately, it was expensive as hell, but I know we need it. We're not going to want to tear this heater box back out because our blend doors weren't opening and shutting and we couldn't control anything. This was the main part. You got two of these on this. You got one here on the back, and you have one here on the, and this is to control the defroster actuator door right here. You turn your defroster on, this opens up by vacuum, so defrost goes up to your windshield. You turn it off, this will close, let the air flow to your vents or whatnot. We got this one in. We're going to be replacing this next. I pretty much wiped the box down, blew it out. We've lubricated all of the flaps and everything. So let's get started with this one. Look. Now this will just slide out. And we'll go put our new one in. Alright, this is the part that we got. We found it on Scrap Bay for $93. Highway robbery, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Looks to be identical. It's a hair bigger. which is good. That means more succionating power. So vacuum succionator 3000 actuator, metal dual port. So you definitely want to replace this if you're going to take out your old school AC box, or my bad, heater box, to change your heater core or whatnot. You might want to replace this because it's a key opponent to your system, and it definitely, if it's factory, it's probably definitely rusted up, probably needs to be replaced. So we'll take our screws off, bolts off, nuts off, and insert, install, baby. So there we go, we're in the hole. Put our new screws on, tighten her down, and we have this problem solved. As long as we're getting vacuum to here, the blend doors will do their job. Tighten these down by hand. They don't have to be super tight or nothing. Of course, I got iron fingers, so it's kind of like, yeah, that's about 35 foot-pounds of torque right there. Alright, problem solved. Brand new vacuum actuator for the blend door. Now we can put this piece back on. But I am kind of curious if it had a seal here. I didn't see a seal, but yet it's got evidence that it may have had something there. I'm not sure. We're ready to stick this back on here like that, and then half the battle's done. But I want to make sure, because I want to get it properly sealed. I want heat working 100% as it should be, and then we'll go from there. So if anybody knows, it'd be great if y'all could leave me a message on the comment letting me know, does this require a seal